Hey guys, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I just wanted to share with you some recent sewing plans and purchases, mini hauls. So that's what today's video is all about. A while back I had posted it was Christmas time actually, posted pictures of some placemats that I made. I usually do change, I make the ones that I use, and I usually do change them out seasonally. So I bought some fabric. They had this on sale. This is like a mint green, and this yellow. I'm going to make some solid color placemats, and this is the fusible batting that I use in the middle so that they are, you could put hot or cold things on them and it won't mess up the table. Another thing that I saw that they had on sale that I thought was kind of cute, of course was not planning on buying this. This is a little towel with bumblebees on it, and these things were like 60%, I think 60% off. What I do with something like this, I'm going to cut it in half, so I'll end up with two halves of this, at least, depending on how wide it is. Cut it in half. And then around the top, what I do is this is some yellow quilting fabric that also has ladybugs and bumblebees on it. My kitchen is yellow. So what I will do is wrap this around the top, and I use double fold bias tape or something like that I will use for the ties, and I make hanging towels for my kitchen. So that's what this is for. That's a quick and easy project. If you all are interested in me showing you, like doing like a little tutorial or something, I can do that. So let me know in the comments. This is some white, like a white cotton with this pretty design on it. This was also on sale, and I'm thinking this will be a nice little blouse or something like that is what I'm planning for this. And this is some crepe back satin, I believe. See, it's very pretty. It's like a peachy color. I mean, both sides of this are really nice, but this is the right side. With this one is less than a yard. So what I was thinking of is if I could possibly try using that as to make a half slip. If you have this book, the Busy Woman's Sewing book from Nancy Zeman from years ago, this book actually, that's one of the projects that this book has in it. It shouldn't be too terribly difficult, but you know, whatever, we'll see how it goes. And then this, they also had Simplicity patterns on sale, so they haven't gotten I guess Simplicity hasn't released all of their spring patterns yet, but I bought these two. These have the, you know, when they do the weird numbers, I don't know, before they give them regular numbers, that's what this one is. But these pants were nice, so I thought this is for woven fabrics, crepes, linen blends, rayon. And then this dress pattern, I thought that was cute, and I kind of like the sleeves on the short sleeve one down here. I thought that was kind of a cute dress. The other day, I got this in the mail. These are from Closet Core Pattern. These pants, these are joggers and the shorts, and I really like both of these patterns, both of these styles, so I got that one. So that one I have to see what kind of material I have for this. It says thicker knit fabrics, so I'll see what I have that I can use for that. And then this sweatshirt pattern, I also thought was kind of cute. These two went together, these two patterns. This also says for thicker knits. But as we're coming up to summer here, so I would not use necessarily a thick, not like a fleece. I don't do a lot of fleece anyway because it's too hot for me. But I thought these were both pretty nice. And so those are the patterns that I have purchased recently. But so that's it for some plans. I'm still working through my list of projects that I want to do. That's it for this video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.